All right, ladies and gentlemen, moving forward to the next section. The next section is about literature review. Well, the main key objective of a literature review is to showcase that you have read and you have a good understanding of the main published work concerning a particular topic or a question in your subject area. A literature review is a critical evaluation of what researchers have written on your topic. I generally advise research students that literature review is just not a simple summary of the information. You really need to analyze each point. And when I say each point, I mean each point of view, as well as identify the strengths or weaknesses you may find in the past research with regards to their research methods, with regards to their theory, or with regards to their findings. So essentially, literature review is a description of work that has already been published in a particular field or on a specific topic. The next important point that we need to address is that why do we need to write a literature review? Well, one of the key reasons for writing a literature review is that we would like to discover what has been written about, a topic. What already has been written. So we would like to know that. Of course, we would like to determine what each source contributes to the topic, and that's one of the reasons we write a literature review. And of course, we would like to understand the relationship between various contributions, and we would like to identify and, if possible, resolve certain contradictions. And not to forget that by writing a literature review, we would like to determine gaps or unanswered questions that exist in our subject area or on a topic that we're interested to work on. The second question is that what is involved in writing a literature review? Well, the first thing that we need to keep in mind is that research. So to discover what has been written about the topic is the main key purpose. The second is that it's the critical appraisal. So to evaluate the literature, determine the relationship between the source and ascertain what has been done already and still needs to be done is what is important. And that's why we are involved in writing a literature review. And the third one is the writing, which is that we would like to explain as what we have found.